What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video I'm going to give you an update about the Rainbow Fund, how the project is doing. Okay, guys, so surprisingly the project's still up and running, still doing its thing, and I cannot complain. Total recharge or deposits, it's 239,000. Total withdrawal 121,000, and total registrations 10,000 users. That's a lot of users. Damn. And over here you can see the history, the last history. So deposits, withdrawals, etc. Okay, over here we can see the trade day archive, and we can see the team right here. Okay, so let's go to the juices. Let me show you my staking, right? So this project initially had two plans. So the package one, where you earn 11.6% a day, and the package two, where you earn 13.6% a day. But as you can see right here, the package two is already full. Okay, so we got 101%. Okay, I'm not sure if we are able to stake no more, because it was saying that once this bar is full, we are no longer be able to stake. So let me just go and hit stake. Okay, yes, no longer be able to stake. Okay, so that's correct, because the maximum capacity has been reached. So if you want to roll with this project, you can stake on the package number one, where you're gonna earn 11.6% per day for 15 days. After 15 days, there will be game over, and you will be out with 174% return. Okay, let's go over to my order and let's see what's up. Over here we can see my order history, and so far I've been rolling with the project for 10 days, so I've got 5 remaining days, and so far I've made 116 bucks. So that means I already broke even, and I'm 16 bucks profits. Okay, and same goes to this one. So in total I'm 32 bucks profit, right? So what's going to happen now is I have to wait 7 hours and 52 minutes to click on view ads. So once I click on view ads, an ad will pop up, and then I'll come back and there will be a harvest button right here. So I'll click harvest, okay, both of them, and then I will come to my account. Okay, so once I come to my account, I will see my balance right here, and then all I have to do is click withdraw. You click withdraw, and you enter your wallet address, the amount that you want to withdraw, and hit confirm, and within a few minutes you will get the money in your wallet. Essentially, that's that, guys. It is that simple. Okay, guys, so far I cannot complain. So happy days. So if you are looking to join this project and make 11.6% a day, okay, link's going to be down in the description. Make sure you do your own research before you jump in, and once you're happy with everything, go ahead and make your moves. That being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.